WoodProfits Review 2020. Start a profitable home-based woodworking business. Woodworking is one of the earliest professions. Its history dates back to 400 AD. Today, woodworking is a huge industry, and it's making people a lot of money. If you have a passion for woodworking and you have always wanted to start your own business, it turns out you can do so with under $1,000, grow the business and make up to $150,000 a year. In this video, we are going to look at how WoodProfits will help you start your own woodworking business with the spare space you've got at home. So if you have been contemplating starting a profitable home-based woodworking business, watch the video to discover how easily you can achieve your dreams. What's WoodProfits all about? WoodProfits.com is a website dedicated to showing people how to start a home-based woodworking business with limited funds. In a complete guide, Jim Morgan, a home-based woodworking business owner with years of experience in the industry, shows and explains the nitty-gritty of launching a home-based woodworking business. As Jim Morgan explains, you do not have to be a professional woodworker or have a large workshop with expensive machinery to make it in the business. All you need to know is what items to make for high profits, where to sell the items, and who to sell them to. Jim's guide comes with an audio version that will give you tips and insights to grow your home-based business without having to spend too much. The guide is downloadable and has easy-to-follow instructions. Who is WoodProfits for? If you need an easy-to-start business that doesn't require expensive machinery or a big space, a business that will allow you to work from home, a business that you can do during your spare time, something that you can easily grow, then WoodProfits is meant for you. You don't need to be a woodworker to start a woodworking business. Jim shows you the secrets of starting and growing the business into a profitable venture even with zero woodworking experience. You will realize that establishing a home-based working business isn't as expensive or risky as people think. If you are going to start a home-based woodworking business, then you'll need to learn everything about the business, how to start it, what you need to sell for maximum profits, where you need to sell your items, who to sell them to, etc. This will help you avoid risking your investment and getting losses. The guide at WoodProfits contains everything you need to know, from the critical factors that you need to consider, marketing methods, to how to tap into unique high-profit niches. The guide also contains such fine details such as the exact words to use when selling your products to increase sales. You will also get to learn such things as the top profitable crafts to sell, the 12 words that will make your customers come back, how to get testimonials from your customers free of charge, tips on where to buy materials and tools at discounted prices, cool tips to grow your woodworking and sales skills, among other things. Apart from the things mentioned above, it will also help you discover amazing online strategies and secret resources for getting more profit online. For instance, you will learn how to build a strong online presence and discover the top-selling projects at present. You will discover real-life success stories from woodworking business owners who started small and are now making 4 to 5 figures monthly. So if you have always wanted to start a woodworking business at home, then you should check out WoodProfits today. Start your own home woodworking business today. Click the link in the description below and get WoodProfits today. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel.